Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to make cake using rice flour. For this recipe, I've taken 2 cups rice flour, 1 cup sugar, half cup butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half cup milk and 2 eggs. First, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. I've taken rice flour in a glass container. I'm going to add baking soda and sugar and mix it well. In a separate glass container, I'm going to add 2 eggs and butter at room temperature and whisk it well. This is ready. We can add the rice flour mixture now. You can add the rice flour little by little and mix it. I'm going to add the milk. In the meantime, we can preheat the oven for 325 Fahrenheit. Batter is ready. I grease the baking pan with butter. I'm going to pour the batter into the pan and bake it for about 50 to 55 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Rice cake is ready. Before taking it out of the oven, make sure it's well baked. You can test this using a toothpick. Try this yummy rice flour cake. Instead of using maida, we can use rice flour and bake cake. Try this delicious rice flour cake at home and send your comments. Also, please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.